bartend and simultaneously serve tables. I have worked here for almost 3.5 years. I made a fresh citrus and cinnamon cider teeny with Strongbow. It includes ginger, simple syrup, house-made, fresh lemon juice, cinnamon whiskey, and Strongbow. It's shaken and served up in a martini glass, which is garnished with cinnamon sugar and a rind of lemon. It uses all fresh ingredients. Everything's house-made. There's nothing out of a bottle, besides the Strongbow, of course, but no store-bought syrups, you know. I think everything's better when it's fresh.